Hello and welcome. I'd like to share this with you, which we've just brought into the workshop. It's an Evo2. It's a Japanese car and it's red. So let's have a look around. First feature that we notice is it's got white wheels, so the wheels have been powder coated white. It's got mud and snow tyres on it. It's got like a winter tyre on it, which is quite unusual. It's got scorpion centre caps in the wheels, new wheel nuts, wheel bolts as I can see. It's been painted. It's got Euro spec winkers. Let's have a look around the front. It's got Euro spec headlights as well, which is a good thing. So it has been repainted. A lovely paint job on it. Evo2 factory fit aerial. The spoilers up in the air. Let's have a look in the back. No badges there, no badges there. Let's have a look inside. Bit of a mess. It looks like a windscreen wiper nut. A couple of fittings. That's all beautifully painted inside. That's lovely, that's been well done. That's all very good as well. That's lovely. We'll have to put that back on. Let's have a look at the. Come here. Oh, it's got speakers and the parcel shelf. Get that in. We've got some junk in the boot. We've got a spare wheel with no cover. Okay, that's that. That's all looking very good. Close that. Like I say, the spoiler's up in the air. Let's have a look inside. Very nice. The upholstery's lovely. I won't put my hands on it, my dirty hands. How's the roof lining? Oh, perfect. That's lovely. Carpets, what's that down there? A steering wheel cowl. That's nice. Been beautifully painted. Let's have a look in here. Seats nice. Bit of a blemish. Now, what's going on in there? Okay, let's go around the other side and have a look. Let's have a look inside. It's got a seat cover. Yeah, the seat looks pretty good. Okay, the door line is good. Yeah, carpet's okay. Let's have a look inside. Now, this tells me there was a switch here, a starter switch. There's no warning panel there. So there's been a switch in there. Now there's a nylock. I don't like them. Let's see what happens with that. What does that say? Yeah, okay, very good. There's no sunroof, so there's no sunroof switches. It's pretty dusty. We can clean that. A non-standard steering wheel. There's some more trim. What's in there? What's that? Rear lights. A couple of them. What's that? That's okay. Alright, well that'll clean up okay. It's got a radio. Oh crikey, look, it's working. thought the battery was flat on this. I don't want to start the car up until we've given it a good oiling down the bores. So I won't start it up today. We've got a white, that might mean it's got a short shift. Okay, that's all good. We can turn that off again. However you do that. That's not going to turn off. So be it. Some kind of... Oh, that's the frame, the mounting. Okay, let's have a look at the engine. Again, it's been well painted. Everything's been off to painted. It's been beautifully done. Look at that. It's a good thing it's got a standard air cleaner. That's handily written on. Air conditioning, so the water tank's over this side. Nice red top on it. That all looks very good. So what we're going to do is our Japanese aftermarket struts. Let's just have a look underneath the car. Hang on. Okay, we're around the front. We'll have a look underneath that wing in a minute. I'll just have a look here. Yeah, we've got the adjustable strut top, so it's been beautifully painted. Everything's been out by the looks of it, except here. That's not been painted. Okay. It's all been nicely done. Yeah, red cam cover. Let's have a look up here. Oh, the windows have been out. That's good. But it has been nicely painted. Let's have a look underneath. Now, I don't think... Yeah, there's no wing liners on it. But at least we can see what's going on under there. So we'll jack it up and get the wheels off. I do have a pair of wing liners I can use on this. There's one issue I can see here. That's not very secure, so we'll have to do something about that. So over the next few weeks, we'll get this little car sorted out. I'll get the wheels off, have a look at the brakes, get it jacked up. Get some wing liners in it, sort the trim issues out, get it started, get it running nicely. I'll sort the back end out, tidy that up, see if we can find some badges, and I'll get this steering column sorted out. See what all that wiring is about. Right, I'll keep you posted. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.